Okay, here's question number 11, and I'm sure it's just everybody's favorite. The good news is don't really have to, um, you don't have too much to calculate. You don't need formulas, let me put it that way. But I know it's a little tedious. This is one of those average daily balances. So Jessica's credit card statement for the month of June is shown below. Here it is. Find Jessica's average daily balance during the month of June. And it'll tell you that there are 30 days here in June, which is important. Write your answer to the nearest cent. So remember, when we do this, we have to calculate how many days. So we've got a beginning balance. When we make a purchase, you might want to say that's going to get added to this credit card statement. Your purchase will get added. Okay. They could also call it a charge, but it's a purchase or a charge gets added. A payment gets subtracted from the balance because you have a lower balance, and then a purchase will get added. June 1st, so it's going to have this balance, and I'm going to add some lines out here. You probably have to do this on your scratch paper, but we'll get through this. So balance, and then we're going to multiply by number of days. So from June 1st until June 15th, from 1 to 15, we're going to have this balance here. So 15, 50, 20 times the number of days, and 15 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 15 days. And you didn't really see on the camera because it's not showing, but yes, I did use my fingers. Count the fingers, that's what they're for, right? And then on the 16th, we're going to have a purchase. So we're going to add to the previous balance. Take the previous balance, 15, 50, 20, add the 2, 20, 50, and we should get, that's 70 cents, 0 and 0 is 0, 5 and 0 is 5, 2 is 7, and so it's $1,750.70. That will be the new balance for how many days? So it's from the 16th until the 22nd. 16 to the 22nd. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I come up with 7 days using the finger method. You could probably subtract and get about the same. Right? 16 minus 12, you get 6 plus 1. Anyway, so we're going to deal with that next. We're going to make a payment, so we're going to subtract this from the previous balance. So you've got your, it's just over here, we could write it. 1750.7 minus 472. So we could do that. You could do it with the calculator if you'd like to. 2 from 0 is 8. Right. 7 from 4. 14 is 7, 4 from 6 is 2, and 1 is just 1. So the balance is now 1,278.70, and that's going to be from the 23rd to the 24th, 23, 24, 2 days, 23 to 24. So that gets multiplied by 2. And we just barely got it cleared off, and we go by something new. So that's from June 25th until the 30th, right? If it was a month with 31 days, it'd be down to 31, but it's not. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I count 6 days. And the balance is we add this on to what the previous balance was. So again, just add it on 1278.70, and hopefully I do all the calculations right. These are tedious. It's so easy to make a mistake. Just be careful. Maybe save this one for last. Let's see. Maybe use a calculator to make it a little easier. 7 and 4 is 11. Carry the 1, 2, that's 3, that's 8. And one there, $1,818.23. Sort of the ending balance for the month. So now what we can do is we multiply each of these. Definitely going to pull a calculator out for that. It's a little bit of a mess, but so we'll take 1550.2 times 15. So 1,550.20 times 15 days gives a total over here. Actually, maybe that's why I shouldn't have written this stuff, but I got a little eraser. Let's clear it out. This is where Microsoft Excel works really nice. You could put the formulas in and just calculate it all. Computers do it for most of the part. Okay. So this gives us a total, monthly total, 23,253 and no cents. And then we go ahead and calculate the next one. So clear this one out. 1,750.7 times the 7 days, and that gives us a total $12,254. This time we do get some cents, 90 cents, so maybe we'll fill this in. And then we take this number times 2, so we clear this out. It's so tedious, and I don't know. This is accounting more than math, right? But some of you want to be accountants, maybe. The world needs accountants, some of them. But I did some bookkeeping, but I'll tell you what, I'll leave it for someone else. It's fun at first, but it's a tedious job, day by day, counting all the little pennies down to the last one. Oops, see there, just talk too much and 0.40. We got our last one. This clear. So 1818.23 is our sort of ending balance, and then we times that by 6 days. That was the balance, and we now have 10,000. And again, if you spot any error, that's fine. I may have made some mistakes. I'm just doing this fresh and live. I'll check at the end, and I guess if I get it wrong, I'll try not to post it, and I'll wait till I get it right. But it's always possible something went wrong. Could make a copying error, and maybe I don't catch it. I don't know. So anyway, here it is, and then we want a total. We want to total all of this. So now you just got to add them all. So I've got the $10,912.98 in there. I'm going to add to that, right? Let's just go up the list. 2,557.4 plus 12,254.9. That's good. Plus 23,253.00. So we total it, We write down that is our sort of our total balance for the month. We never had 48,000 on there, but remember, average is, this is like a mean daily value. The sum of all the day's balances was $48,978.28. So to get the average, we're going to divide by 30 days. If it says 31s, we would divide by 31 days. So we do whatever it says. 30 days. So now let's, all this work, divide it by 30 days. There we are. And don't lose this total. This is very important. This is our average daily balance, and we don't want to have to do this again. Average daily balance was $1,632.61. We round at this point. Okay. Enter that in so that we don't lose it. 1632.61. So let's just get the calculator out of the way. $1,632.61. Now, what do we do with that? It says, suppose the credit card company charges an interest rate of 1.3% on the average daily balance. Now, this is a little tricky. I messed up on 1%. This is not an annual interest rate. This is sort of the monthly rate. It's the rate that they charge on that daily balance, the average daily balance. From Part A, how much interest will be charged? Write your answer to the nearest cent. So we're going to charge this. So we take our number and we multiply it by 0.013. That's the interest on the average daily balance. It's already been calculated. We don't have to figure out how many days and that kind of stuff. So let's do that. The calculator, I think we've got some space here we could kind of use. We're going to clear this out. So, I shouldn't have done that, but 1632.61 times 0.013. So $21.22, rounded accurately. $21.22. That's our interest. Okay. And then I'm going to clear all this out. So take a nice good look. Of course, videos you can always back up if you need to. I'm going to clear it out so it's nice and clear, and we can scan up a little bit to see the next question. What will Jessica's beginning balance for the month of July? Oh shoot, I shouldn't have done that. We needed the last balance, and unfortunately I can't go back, but we're going to take this value we're going to add it to the last balance. I think was something like 1800. Wasn't it 1818? I completely forgot, so I shouldn't have erased it. If I pause or stop this video, I can't continue it. So what I'm going to do is, well, there's really nothing I can do. I'm going to do this, but hopefully you can back it up, check it yourself. If this answer is wrong, then I'll have to fix the whole video, but if it's not wrong, which I'm hoping it's not, you'll just see this last value plus this equals what they want here. So I'll fill that in just to check, and you should be able to do that from the work that's been done. Sorry about that, folks, but Sometimes we're moving too fast. That's my problem sometimes. Okay, so we'll go on to the next video after this. Thanks.